I've seen a couple.
Warm before to see a lot.
I see them a lot more out here. Actually. Yeah, definitely. You see that one fin coming out with like that lazy sway back and forth.
You still see it?
Yep. You got it, Chris?
Exactly on our bow.
Oh, go to the right, go to the right. Oh.
Right here, hold here.
Go to the right.
Oh!
That's a big boy.
That's
right
a
here.
little one.
Hey, buddy.
Hi. Bud, what's popping?
What's going on? I love Sunfish.
That is a little one.
All right, looky loose.
I need a good story, Josh.
No.
What would make it a good story,
No,
Miller?
Instagram story.
Oh. The good story is Miller jumps in the water after the sunfish.
And wrestled.
Need like a polarized lens.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the shot right there. Oh, so good.
I love how they're turning to keep that eye on us.
Oh yeah, and he like shows you that.
Oh!
Hey!
That's so cool.